bank, I'm not in your bracket. New watch on with the matching jacket. Shoe boxes, they keep on stacking. You talk money, that's a different accent.